Candy and Tina.
Please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall. And there we have it. I just graduated. In every end, there is also a beginning. Graduation. The end of my 5-year degree program and the beginning of my new journey. When I was in China, I got asked a lot about my country, where I'm from, what's there to see, what's there to do, so forth and so on. Join me in my journey as I also learn what there is to do in Botswana. What's up, everybody? So today we're going to be talking about the questions that I was asked while I was in China. Basically, this is why I'm having this whole video series, why I feel like it's essential. Questions I was asked was, how is Botswana? This was like the vibes. How is Botswana in terms of weather? So I'll be covering all sorts of things on how is Botswana and what is in Botswana. What is in Botswana, which is like the heritage sites, the museums, the hotels, all sorts of things that there is to do, what's popping in Botswana, who is in Botswana. The who is in Botswana will be covering the different tribes that we have in Botswana. We have different kinds of tribes, the Kalanga, the Basarwa, the Barolong, you know, that's the kind of stuff I'll be covering in the channel. And why would anybody want to come to Botswana? Why would Botswana be your destination, which is something I'm going to be covering as well. And when is it the best time to come? When would you like to come? When is the best time to go to a certain place in Botswana? And where is Botswana located? Where is certain places in Botswana that you've heard of located? So basically, that's what I'll be covering. It's going to be Sugarfoot traveling Botswana, my love for my country.